Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread mix. First, gather your dry ingredients like 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Carefully measure each item to ensure the best results. Whisk these dry components together thoroughly in a large bowl until they are well combined and uniform. This step is crucial for an even distribution of flavors. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. Mash 3 very ripe bananas until they are smooth and creamy, which adds natural sweetness and moisture. Then, add 1/3 cup of melted unsalted butter and 1 large egg to the mashed bananas. Mix these wet ingredients together until just combined. Finally, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough banana bread. Now it's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Pour the prepared batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the loaf cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This patience ensures a perfect slice. To keep your banana bread fresh, store it at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 3 days. For longer enjoyment, you can freeze individual slices for up to 3 months. Just wrap them tightly in plastic wrap and then foil. This makes for a quick and easy treat anytime. Also, for other great deals and to make your meal prep even easier with leak-proof containers, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.